Hi, welcome back to this another episode of Property Expert Academy. So in the last video, you looked at what we are looking into the property auction catalog. So this particular property that we discussed now, the thing is, we need to also see like this asking price, which is like the guide price. I mean, not asking price, we'll call it guide price. 780 is producing a yield of 6.41%. So it's 50,000 is what the rent they are paying, and of course the lease is up to 2029. Now, I mean, of course, you do your financial part. I might probably explain a little bit more into the next part. But now, next thing is, then we look into the legal pack. So we basically there's a tab on this auction catalog, and then you probably have to register as your account initially. If you're not registered, then you can also see. So all these legal documents we need to look into that. So there may be different types of certificate of good standing. So there are some inventories. There could be letter from HMRC, acknowledgement for many tax things and all. There are, of course, you need to also look into this the standard lease conditions what are mentioned in the commercial property, especially there's something called CPSE, commercial property inquiry form, that you need to look into. Then again, there are registrations for VAT, whether the property is registered for VAT or not. There are some environmental search, this local authority search. Then you have a leases, like, so this is very important thing. You need to look into the current lease, previous leases, and all the clauses in the lease to ensure that what impact it will have on the property value, and how it's going to work for you based on the vision or the plan that you have for you. Let's say, for example, if you're planning to develop the property, then you need to see like, okay, fine, how am I going to get the property back at the end of the term, and then whether I can hold this asset for that long. And of course, that's where the financial number comes into play, where you need to see whether you can hold that viably for until, let's say, 2029, or whether you can also speak to the tenant and see whether they are considering to surrender or any alternative ways. And then there are like title plans. You can see what is demise. So of course you can see if there's extra land, or what you can go up to in terms of development wise, because they say of course there's a development potential, which is seems to be, in my opinion, yes, there is a good potential. You can go upward and also backward. And then again, you look into the official legal documents, like who owns it legally, whether there is any charge, and what type of things that you are buying. Sometimes some freehold titles also have some restrictions clause in that, so make sure you are fully aware of that. So all these legal documents, I mean, how to read, what is specific, we may go more in detail when you join one of our workshop. So for now, this is how you look into all the legal documents, legal packs. Suppose you go and visit the property physically as well, after once you satisfied that, okay, legal documents giving you some kind of green signal. And then in the next part of the video, we'll discuss more about like financial things.